Deep within the misty veil of Peacock Cloud Forests, a realm of breathtaking beauty and intricate complexity awaits, where the majestic plumage of birds like the resplendent quetzal and the Andean cock of the rock are matched only by the forest's own vibrant tapestry of life. This unique ecosystem plays a crucial role in regulating the planet's water cycle and supporting an astonishing array of endemic species that can be found nowhere else on Earth. As we step into this enchanting world, the soft rustle of leaves and the haunting calls of unseen birds will beckon us deeper into a realm where the very fabric of life is woven from mist, myth, and wonder. The term cloud forest refers to a specific type of tropical montane forest where the trees are perpetually shrouded in mist, creating an ethereal landscape that supports an astonishing array of plant and animal life. This phenomenon occurs when warm, moist air from the tropics rises to higher elevations, cools, and condenses, enveloping the forest in a perpetual veil of fog. My expeditions in these forests have allowed me to witness firsthand the remarkable adaptations that enable species to thrive in such conditions. For instance, the resplendent quetzal's vibrant plumage is not only a stunning example of evolutionary artistry, but also serves as a vital tool for communication and mating. The bird's iridescent feathers refract light in a way that creates an otherworldly glow, allowing potential mates to assess its health and genetic fitness. From a biological classification standpoint, Peacock Cloud Forests are characterized by their unique combination of plant species, including towering trees like the ceiba and the oak, which provide a habitat for a vast array of epiphytes, such as orchids, bromeliads, and ferns. These epiphytes, in turn, support a complex web of relationships with other organisms, from the insects that pollinate them to the microorganisms that facilitate nutrient uptake. The evolutionary history of Peacock Cloud Forests is still being unraveled by scientists, but it's believed that these ecosystems have been shaped over millions of years by the interplay between geological and climatic factors. The uplift of mountain ranges, changes in global climate patterns, and the migration of species have all contributed to the creation of this unique ecosystem. Key researchers such as Dr. Daniel Jansen have made significant contributions to our understanding of Peacock Cloud Forests through their groundbreaking work on the ecology and conservation of these ecosystems. Jansen's research has highlighted the critical importance of preserving the delicate balance between species in these forests, where even small changes can have far-reaching consequences for the entire ecosystem. As we explore the ecological relationships within Peacock Cloud Forests, we find a complex tapestry of symbiosis, predator-prey dynamics, and habitat niches. For example, the Andean cock of the rock's bright plumage serves as a signal to potential mates, while also advertising its presence to predators, which in turn affects the behavior of other species in the forest. This intricate dance between species is further complicated by the presence of invasive species, climate change, and human activities such as deforestation and mining. The conservation status of Peacock Cloud Forests is a pressing concern, with many of these ecosystems facing significant threats from human activities. Habitat fragmentation, pollution, and climate change all pose significant challenges to the long-term survival of these delicate ecosystems. Despite these challenges, there are still many areas of Peacock Cloud Forests that remain relatively intact, offering a glimpse into a world that is both familiar and yet utterly alien. As we venture deeper into the heart of Peacock Cloud Forests, the veil of mist parts to reveal a world where plants and animals have evolved in tandem, creating an intricate web of relationships that underpin the very fabric of this ecosystem. The trees, adorned with epiphytes, stand as sentinels, their bark gnarled and twisted with age, while the forest floor, carpeted with a soft layer of leaf litter, whispers secrets to those who listen. One of the most fascinating aspects of Peacock Cloud Forests is the array of adaptations that have evolved in response to the unique conditions found here. The resplendent quetzal's feathers, for example, are not only a stunning display of color, but also possess specialized structures that allow them to refract and reflect light, creating an otherworldly glow that is both mesmerizing and functional. Similarly, the Andean cock of the rock's bright plumage serves as a signal to potential mates, while also advertising its presence to predators, which in turn affects the behavior of other species in the forest. As we explore the ecological relationships within Peacock Cloud Forests, we find that symbiosis plays a critical role in shaping the interactions between species. For instance, the relationship between the ceiba tree and the orchids that grow on its branches is one of mutual benefit, with the tree providing support and nutrients to the orchids, while the orchids, in turn, attract pollinators that help to fertilize the tree's flowers. This intricate dance between species is further complicated by the presence of invasive species, climate change, and human activities such as deforestation and mining. The work of researchers like Dr. Catherine Flanagan has shed light on the complex relationships within Peacock Cloud Forests, particularly in regards to the role of microorganisms in facilitating nutrient uptake by plants. Her research has shown that these microorganisms, found in the soil and on the roots of plants, play a critical role in breaking down organic matter and making nutrients available to the plants, highlighting the importance of preserving the delicate balance between species in these ecosystems. The fate of these ecosystems hangs in the balance, as human activities such as deforestation, mining, and climate change threaten to disrupt the delicate balance that has taken millions of years to evolve. As we delve deeper into the mystical world of Peacock Cloud Forests, we find ourselves surrounded by an array of plant species that have adapted to thrive in this unique environment. One of the most fascinating aspects of these forests is the diversity of epiphytes, such as orchids, bromeliads, and ferns which cling to the branches of trees like the ceiba and the kapok. These epiphytes have evolved specialized roots that absorb moisture and nutrients from the air, allowing them to flourish in areas where soil is scarce. The relationship between these epiphytes and their host trees is a prime example of symbiosis, where both species benefit from each other's presence. The trees provide support and shelter for the epiphytes, while the epiphytes attract pollinators and add to the overall biodiversity of the forest. This intricate web of relationships is further complicated by the presence of other organisms, such as fungi and bacteria, which play a crucial role in decomposing organic matter and recycling nutrients. One of the key researchers who has contributed significantly to our understanding of Peacock Cloud Forests is Dr. Maria Rodriguez, a renowned botanist who has spent years studying the unique plant species found in these ecosystems. Her research is focused on the adaptations of plants like the resplendent quetzal's favorite food source, the philodendron, which has evolved to produce fruit that is rich in nutrients and energy. This has led to a fascinating example of coevolution, where the quetzal's brightly colored plumage serves as a signal to potential mates, while also advertising its presence to predators, which in turn affects the behavior of other species in the forest. As we explore the forest floor, we notice the intricate network of roots and fungi that crisscross the soil. This underground world is home to a vast array of microorganisms, such as mycorrhizal fungi, which form symbiotic relationships with plant roots, enhancing their ability to absorb nutrients from the soil. The work of researchers like Dr. John Taylor has shed light on the critical role these microorganisms play in maintaining the balance of Peacock Cloud Forests, and how changes to this delicate ecosystem can have far-reaching consequences for the entire forest. The conservation status of Peacock Cloud Forests is a pressing concern, with many of these ecosystems facing significant threats from human activities like deforestation, mining, and climate change. The impact of these activities can be seen in the fragmentation of habitats, the loss of biodiversity, and the disruption of delicate ecological relationships. For example, the introduction of invasive species like the Africanized honeybee has led to a decline in native pollinators, which in turn affects the reproduction of plant species like the ceiba and the kapok. In conclusion, Peacock Cloud Forests stand as a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the natural world, reminding us of the profound interconnectedness of life on Earth. These ecosystems teach us valuable lessons about resilience, adaptation, and the delicate balance that sustains our planet. That's all for today's Nature with Aristotle. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, may your curiosity about the natural world continue to flourish.